The Internet of Things provides manufacturers with incredible amounts of data that can be used for anything from quality assurance and predictive maintenance to developing new revenue opportunities. Unfortunately, different locations, product lines, controllers, devices, and formats strand that data on islands within your manufacturing operations. Instead of deep insights, manufacturers face information overload among a sea of spreadsheets, reports, and dashboards. At Stratus Innovations Group, our expert software architects have developed a customizable, cloud-based solution that collects and integrates data from hundreds or even thousands of devices into a central IoT hub. Finally, manufacturers can realize the promise of truly integrated and scalable IoT operations. Contact Stratus Innovations Group today to discuss how we can build a custom cloud solution for your unique manufacturing environment. Visit our website, stratusinnovations.com, or call 844-561-6721. We'll help bring the power of the cloud to your organization.